Hello children, let's complete our chapter number 5 in which you will learn about the rotation and resolution of screen as well as the workspace of your screen. Let's learn about changing the resolution and rotation of your screen. You can set the resolution and rotation of your display. The resolution is number of dots on the screen in each direction and that can be displayed. Each resolution has an aspect ratio and that ratio is width to height. Widescreen displays 16:9 and traditional display is 4:3 aspect ratio. By changing the screen resolution, you can change how big or how things will appear on your screen. By changing the rotation, you can change the way things should appear. If you have a rotating display, click on System icon, a drop-down menu appears. Click on System Settings. System Setting dialog box you can see on the screen. Click on Displays. Displays dialog box appears. Click on the drop-down list of resolution and select the desired resolution. Click on the drop-down list of rotation and select the desired rotation of your screen. This is the rotation you can see. Click on Apply. A dialog box will appear. The new setting will be applied for 10 seconds before reverting back. If you do not like the new settings, your old settings will be automatically restored, or you can click on Restore Previous Configuration. If you are happy with the new settings, click on Keep this configuration. Now setting up the workspace. You can make your computer screen manageable by organizing your running programs into 2 or more workspaces. Each workspace includes only the windows of the program that you have assigned to the desktop. For example, you have a productivity workspace in which you have a word processor, a spreadsheet, and any other program. Or suppose you have a social desktop also in which you have mail and calendar, and you have a multimedia desktop also that includes music, photos and videos. So what you can do is you can switch from one workspace to another. Now click on System icon, click on System Settings. System Settings dialog box appears on your screen. Click on Appearance tab under Personal section. Click on Behavior tab. Click on Enable Workspace option. Click on Close to close the Appearance dialog box. Workspace switcher icon appears in the launcher. You can see. Switch to another workspace. How you will switch? Click on Workspace switcher icon from the launcher. 4 workspace appears on your screen. As you can see, workspace 1 is highlighted by default. Click on any workspace to switch to it. You can click on workspace switcher button again to return to your previous workspace. Now setting up workspace, move a program to different workspace. Open a program. Right click the program title bar. Click on move to another workspace. Click on the desired workspace. Ubuntu moves the program to the selected workspace. In this example, the program on workspace 1 is moved to workspace 4. This is how you can switch to the different workspace. I hope students, now your chapter number 5 is clear to you with resolution and rotation of screen as well as with workspace.